3, 2, 1, lay on. The police chief refreshes. Because they don't hit you. Yeah. If an epic doesn't take damage every within a 15, if they go 15 seconds without taking any damage, they take no damage for the minute.
Yeah.
It's really, really, it's important to continue hitting the epic, even if it's just one hit, always.
That's why I don't throw packets at epics anymore.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Just gonna roll around until everybody's tired.
Yeah, but let her burn that. Get him.
Krells is disarmed.
Immune.
Get in there.
I know, right? Well, they just barely got it.
Yeah, it was hot right there for a second.
Hold for narration! Yeah, they got you. The police chief falls? Yeah. Question mark? Does it actually die? Yeah. Yeah. Police chief dies. The golems have been pushed back, and you guys have a clear-cut run to get out of a place I don't know how to say.
First insect wounds is a real person.
Yeah. You don't know that Devereaux was even here.
Let's get out.
Yeah.
Magic, try and take that shit back.
Fuck it. Slay.
Dead.
Ours too. Out of here.
I'll just take your mantle for that.
CDFO.
Okay.
Let's sneak out of here.
You guys are able to get a brief moment of repose and sneak out.
So nobody grabbed the thing?
Shut up, goat.
No, she took the thing out.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's the actual police chief.
Yeah, that's the actual police chief. Yeah.
Me, technically.
Okay. Cool. Hang around. We'll,
fuck!
let me grab some stuff. Y'all stop hitting it!
Yeah, it was like, nobody's gonna, okay, you back it up. Dead! How are we supposed to hit something when we're dead?
Tonight. All my shit is gone.
It didn't work.
What?
I said it didn't work.
Yep.